Good morning. Today is Thursday, May the 23rd, 2024. And I stepped out into the backyard and I can hear those cicadas pretty well today. I've noticed the ones that have died, I've noticed them along the sidewalks and different places where I can see well. They're accumulating, so that means that they have laid their eggs, and then after that they die. After 17 years in the ground, they come out and do that. But you hear their songs still. There's still some around. Now you hear other noises. Maybe traffic, birds, and somebody's hammering or making some noise out in the distance. But you can still hear those cicadas. They're still at work there. Just a little update today, and I hope you have a happy day and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.